Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a realistic book mockup in Adobe Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's get started. I have my book image over here, and I also have my text image over here. So select the rectangle tool, left click and hold and draw a rectangle like this. Once you are done, right click on the rectangles layer and select convert to smart objects. Press Ctrl T, and now let's align the rectangle to the direction of our book over here. So hold Ctrl, left click and then drag and place this one to here. Let's do the same thing for the top sides. I'll place this one here and then I'll do it one more time. I think this is okay. So after aligning our rectangle shape to the direction of our book, right click on the book and select warp. Over here, select this side and then left click and hold and then push it up to match the shape of the book. So I think something like this is okay. Let's push this side up to close the gap over here. So gently do it this way. Let's do the same thing for the bottom part too as well. So I'll left click and hold and drag it this way, and I'll position this one to over here. Now push the middle part up a little bit. I think this is okay. Once you are done, just click here. Now double click this side, go back to your text image, press Ctrl A for selection, press Ctrl C to copy, come here and then press Ctrl Shift V to paste. Now press Ctrl T and then let's resize our text image. I think something like this is okay. Yeah, something like this is okay. So now press Ctrl S to save it. Let's go back to our main mockup worksheet, which contains the book. Now you could see that we've added our text image onto our book, but then it doesn't look real. Now let's make it look real. Now change the blend mode of the rectangles layer, which contains the text from normal to multiply, and then go to FX and select blending options. So over here we'll be working with the current layer. Left click and hold the black side and then drag it from left to right just a little bit. Let's do the same thing for the white too as well. So I think something like this is okay. Now select OK over here. Now we've been able to add our text image to our book over here. Okay, so guys, this is how to create a realistic book mockup in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.